In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MacroMaps 2.0 on TradingView. Understanding global economic trends is essential for any trader, and this updated tool makes visualizing macroeconomics across the world easier than ever. With sharper visuals and deeper insights, you can spot differences between countries at a glance and cross-reference headlines without ever leaving your chart. First, you can access MacroMaps by clicking the dedicated icon in the right side panel of any TradingView chart, or by navigating to the standalone MacroMaps page. Once you are in, select the specific economic indicator from the menu to update the global heat map visualization. This gives you an immediate, color-coded look at global data. From there, hover your cursor over individual countries to view the compact tooltip. This feature provides specific data values for that region without obscuring the rest of the map. To dive deeper, interact with the data legend by hovering over a specific color range. This action will automatically highlight only the countries falling within that numerical bracket, helping you identify regional trends instantly. Next, you can toggle between the country view or the newsfeed using the Map Extras menu. This allows you to cross-reference statistics with live headlines in one place. If you need to see different types of information, click on the magnifier at the top left of the map to view more metrics for comparison, such as labor data, prices, health, or trade. When you're ready to save your findings, use the updated screenshot tool to save your analysis. The tool now automatically embeds the indicator name and the date of the data for your future reference. Finally, you can easily navigate back to live data from any saved screenshot page by clicking the Back to Maps button. MacroMaps 2.0 is a fantastic way to discover global data in a whole new way. Start exploring these maps today to add more depth to your market research. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy trading!